My forever. The day that we have been dreaming of is finally here, and I couldn't be more excited. I look back at all of the years it has taken us to get to this day, and I smile thinking of all the memories that we have made along the way. I would have never imagined that one day you would be calling me your husband. We have made endless memories along the way and have created such a beautiful life together.
My love, our day has finally arrived. It is hard to believe this beautiful life we have built together. It didn't take me long to realize what an incredible gem of a man you are. I nonchalantly grabbed onto you tight with no intention of ever letting you go. You have taught me so much about love, and you have broken down. You love me unconditionally. You are my home, my happy place. You gave me the greatest gift of becoming a mother, not once but twice. And the first years with Madden as a trio would be some of my fondest memories. A few kids building a life together. Now as a family of 4, it couldn't be better. Our family is perfect. You're the most handsome, hardworking man I've ever met. I am lucky to have you on my side, and I will never take it for granted. Forever and a day, your wife for life, Bree.
Looking back over the past 9 years, I wouldn't change a thing. We have reached today having overcome all of life's challenges, showing that together we can handle anything that life has thrown at us. You will forever be my favorite person. Now let's finally do this. I'll be waiting for you at the end of the aisle. I can't wait to see you, Mr. McEwen.
She's so hardworking, the best mom, fiercely loyal to the people that she loves, and I could sit here all night and tell you how she's my very best friend. Someone I cherish deeply with our inside jokes, unbreakable bond, and friendship. But instead, I'll leave tonight with this.
Our Chase doesn't really rush into things so much, so we have thought of Bree as part of our family. We have officially gained a daughter and a sister into our family.
And I guess I finally have a sister now, the daughter that my mom always wanted, that we were all supposed to be. I wish you guys the absolute best, and it's been a pleasure to get to know you, your whole family, and we love you, and welcome to the family.
Chase and Bree would like to welcome and thank all of you for being here today. Each of you played a very important role in their lives and hold a very special place in their hearts. We'd also like to acknowledge those that aren't here today, but are truly part of today and here in our hearts.
Chase, I promise to love you forever and to never let you forget how important you are to me. I promise to be your safe place after a bad day. I promise to always be on your side against the rest of the world. You are the most incredible man, and I'm so proud to have you as my husband and the father of my children. Today, I'm making the easiest decision of my life, and I'm becoming your wife, and until the end of time, I am yours.
You have changed my life for the better in countless ways, and it made me into the man that I am today. Most importantly, you have given me the privilege of sharing our lives together. As your husband, I vow to always stand by your side, vow to protect and provide for our family. I vow to give you a marriage that you will be proud of, one that will also set an example for our girls. I choose you today, tomorrow, and forever.
With this ring, I promise to give to you
The truth and faithfulness.
the truth and faithfulness
Of my life and marriage.
of my life and marriage.
With this ring,
I promise to give to you
I promise to give to you
the truth and faithfulness
the truth and faithfulness
of my life and marriage.
of my life and marriage.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you It is my great pleasure to introduce our very, very newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. McEwen.
Thank you for being here. Obviously today has been incredible. It has knocked any expectation out of the park. Thank you so much. Let's get this freaking party started, eh?
We wish these two a grand adventure on their new married life, and we need you to face the good and the bad times side by side, and always invest in yourself, stay real, and have some fun.
Congratulations.